Let us see another example for constructing a non-deterministic finite automata for the given regular expression. Consider this regular expression a or b the whole star followed by b followed by a or bb the whole star. So, according to this regular expression, the strings that could be accepted are if a or b the whole star, which says that 0 or any number of times a or b comes. So if we assume that it doesn't appear, similarly a or bb the whole star, even if that string doesn't appear, then the machine accepts a single b. So the basic string is b, which is accepted, and it may be preceded with any number of a's, then followed by a b, followed by any number of a's, or any number of a's followed by b, followed by 2 b's, any number of 2 b's, even number of b's, then or b's followed by a single b, followed by again a, any number of a's, or any number of bb's. So we understand that the machine will accept a string which has at least one b and which is preceded by a's or b's and succeeded by a's or even number of b's. So now let us construct the automata using JClass. So let us consider one start state Q0, then the basic string is b. So on reading a single b, the machine accepts therefore Q0 on b is accepted. Now this, before reading b, it can read any number of a's or b's. So when we say 0 or more number of times, we can represent it using a self loop at Q0. So we can have any number of a's or b's followed by a single b. Similarly, once a single b is read, it can read a or bb. So it can read any number of a's, then also it is accepted, or after reading a b, if the machine reads b's, it should read them as even number of b's. So in that case, if it reads a single b, then it is mandatory that it should read a second b in order to make it as even b's. So in order to read 2 b's, we normally represent it using a back loop. So if after reading single b, it can read any number of even b's. Therefore, any number of even b's can be represented by transition from Q1 to Q2 on symbol B and from Q2 to Q1 on B. So, even number of b's after Q1 will make the machine to a final state. So, this is how the NFA is basically constructed for the given regular expression. The machine accepts any number of A's or B's followed by a single B, or B followed by any number of A's, or B followed by even number of B's using a back loop. So now let us see the options at every state. So on Q0 we have transitions for both A and B, and in Q1 we have transitions for both A and B. In Q2, if it reads a single A, means it will disturb the consecutive B's. Therefore, in Q2, if it reads a single B, then single A, then the machine should not go to a final state, it should go to a sync state. So on reading A, it goes to a sync state, and if Q3 is a sync state, whatever is read in sync state will be in sync state. So this is a non-deterministic finite automata, as we have from Q0 two transitions for the input B.